phone.
So he caught her
Give me-
cheating, I guess.
Give me your phone.
Did you know your iPhone keeps detailed history of places you visited? Like this one in video gets what places his girlfriend visited before with time and date. I will show you how to check your own location history and more importantly, how to turn it off to protect your privacy. Here is how to check it. Open setting, tap privacy and security, select location services. Scroll down and tap System Service. Then tap Significant Locations. You may be asked to verify your identity using Face ID or your passcode. Once inside, you will see a list of location your iPhone has recorded, along with date and time of your visit. This data is encrypted and store it on your device. But if someone has access to your unlocked iPhone, they may be able to view it. Now, if you want to stop your iPhone saving this information, here what to do. Turn off the switch at the top and you can tap Clear History to delete stored location data. And that's it. If you found this useful and need help with any other iPhone tips, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and let me see you in the next one.